currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology from Government Engineering College, Badinton, Tirunelveli. So I am here to take you on to a ride into the world of augmented reality. So fasten your seatbelts, let's get into the video.
Isolated applications of augmented reality have been around for decades, but recently the technologies required to unleash its potential become available. Now we are here to explore the field of augmented reality. In this session, we will explore what is augmented reality, difference between augmented reality and virtual reality, history of augmented reality, how does augmented reality really work, display techniques of augmented reality, applications of augmented reality, innovative examples in the field of augmented reality, and drawbacks of augmented reality. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is an interactive experience of real-world environment enhanced by computer-generated objects which enhances visual, auditory, haptic, somatosensory and olfactory senses. In simple words, augmented reality is a technology that places digital contents in real scenes. It's a combination of real and virtual worlds, real-time interactions and accurate 3D registrations for both real and virtual objects. Difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality and virtual reality are often confused. Augmented reality is a combination of real and virtual worlds which is capable of enhancing one another, while virtual reality completely displaces you to a virtual world totally different from the reality. When we get deep into it, we can find lots of the similarities between the two. Augmented reality lets people interact with both real and virtual world and distinguish between the two. But in virtual reality, distinguishing between the real and virtual world is hard. AR can be experienced even by using smartphones, laptop or tablet, but to experience VR, special gadgets are needed. AR adds small elements to the real view while VR requires heavy graphics to create the virtual environment. Physical movements are enabled in AR while they are restricted in VR. This takes us to the history of augmented reality. Believe it or not, the technology of digital augmented reality dates back to 1960s. The first application of augmented reality technology is believed to be the Sword of Damocles, which is an augmented reality-based head-mount display system by Ivan Sutherland in 1968. Timeline of the series of events that made augmented reality what it is today. Let's check some of the important breakthroughs. In 1952, Sensoma machine by Morton Hilling is the first VR machine, but it is considered as a pseudo-beginning since it was a mechanical device and not a digital one. In early times, there was no clear differentiation between AR and VR until in 1990 when the term augmented reality was coined by Tom Caudle. In 1994, AR theater productions called Dancing in Cyberspace was released. 2000 marked the entry of first outdoor AR game, AR Quake. Now, the possibility of augmented reality is increasing day by day. The figure displays the major milestones in the history of augmented reality. How does augmented reality work? Every augmented reality system comprises of three components: hardware, software, and remote servers. Hardware. Hardware involves the tools, that is processors, sensors, and input devices, and mainly the display. Some of the examples of AR devices are smartphones, handheld devices, smart glasses, and head-mount display. Software. Software is actually the mediator that converts the digital projections and real world into AR experiences. Remote servers. Remote servers simply refers to the server to which the data is stored and downloaded. Working of augmented reality. Real world is traced out with the help of cameras, sensors, which is then processed and superimposed with virtual objects, 3D models, coding and audio files. This in turns into real-time AR experiences. The steps involved in the working of augmented reality is clearly depicted here. This is how a head-mount display works. A video see-through HMD has a stereo camera on it, reconstructs the features targeted for augmented reality visualization and gives the results via a monitor, while an optical see-through HMD is a wearable device that has the capability of reflecting projected images as well as allowing the user to see through it. Display techniques of AR. Various display technologies are used in AR, which includes optical projection systems, monitors, handheld devices, and display systems. HMD or head-mounted display system is a device worn on the forehead capable of inducing AR. HUD or head-up display system is a transparent display that presents data without requiring the users to look away from their usual viewpoints. Eyeglasses are the devices capable of adding extra information and is projected or reflected through the eyewear lens piece. Contact lenses and virtual retinal display are still under development. AR contact lenses have similar functions as that of AR glasses, while VRD is a technology in which the display is scanned directly into the retina of viewer's eye. Basically, augmented reality that employs a small display that fits in the user's hand is called handheld augmented reality, while the AR based on projection techniques is called spatial AR or SAR.
Applications of augmented reality. Augmented reality is emerging as one of the key drivers of tech economy. AR applications have spanned in almost all fields. Some of them are military, medicine, industry, gaming, entertainment, education, and navigation. AR is used in military for simulation of flights or vehicles, battlefield combat, battlefield medical responses. It is also used to test military weapons, bomb disposal training, and remote maintenance. AR has a great application in the field of medicine. It is used for vein visualization, 3D imaging, scanning, surgery assistance, diagnosis, and many more. These days, VR gaming is recommended to reduce mental stress. In industries, AR is used for product development, maintenance, and repair, training of factory workers, designing parts with precision, figuring out problems, etc. AR gives new lives to gaming. It changes the perspective of gaming. The revival of 3D, captive experiences, and real-time interactions make gaming more challenging and interesting. AR enhanced the quality of entertainments. We are used to augmented music concerts, AR in sports channels, interactive TV programs like the beautiful weather reports with sunshine and rain. AR made advertising way more effective. Scanning a page of your newspaper ad makes it come alive. Isn't that cool? Possibilities of AR in education is very vast. Today, AR is used as teaching props. AR-enabled worksheets, homeworks, and textbooks make learning more fun. We can even stimulate lab environments with the help of AR. AR is also used for real-time navigation, routing, providing warning, etc. It also helps us to easily locate our destinations, making our trips easier. Some of the innovative examples in the field of augmented reality is listed here. It includes IKEA mobile app, Nintendo's Pokemon Go app, Google Pixel's Java sticker, Disney's 3D coloring book, Gloria makeup app, Weather Report Studio, Snapchat filters, Google Glass, iGlass, etc. The list is endless. Drawbacks of augmented reality. It is very expensive to implement, develop, and maintain AR-based projects. Lack of privacy and security is a major problem. AR is still in the developing phase, so errors are very common. Extreme engagement in AR can lead to major health issues. Augmented reality is a really promising field. In the next few years, augmented reality is capable of dominating all the major fields. So let's look forward for a bright future with automation and the application of AR. And that's the end of the session. Scientists dream about doing great things, while engineers do them. These are the words of James A. Mishner. So always keep on asking questions, trying methods to solve problems. These are the traits of a true engineer. Have a great day. Thank you.